We are here at the Port St. Lucie Botanical Gardens, and we are going to a maternity shoot. We're excited. It's morning. I'm not a morning person.
Mind you, she's not going to be doing any work today. So,
wow.
I'm just kidding. So this is our plan.
First of all, I'm the creative director. Second of all, I have the phone camera, which is more important than the real camera, because guess what? I'm documenting our journey. You're welcome.
Wow. So yeah, what I was gonna say is that actually our plan for today is to try to record the majority of the shoot. We're gonna be using an iPhone 10 and just automatic camera settings just to record, because we just want to make it as easy as possible to actually document. Sometimes I get caught up in wanting things to look perfect and wanting them to look as best as possible, so to kind of throw all the excuses out the window to make sure that we start documenting our shoots. We're going to be shooting right now on the iPhone 10 with just the normal camera app that's part of iOS in 4K 30 frames a second, and we'll see how it goes. We've never shot at this location. We have shot with the subject before. They are our friends, Mike and Sherry. The subject, that's when you have a photo shoot, the subject is the person you're shooting. So or the object, like, or non-personal.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's the technical term
that we're shooting.
Yeah,
right.
So the subject of today's shoot is our friends, or are our friends, Mike and Sherry. It's a maternity shoot for Sherry. She is having her second baby Aria, their first girl, which we had an interesting time at the gender reveal.
So your team girl?
If this is not pink, everybody's going home. It's on record.
1, 2, 3.
There's a fake balloon.
That was fun. But yeah, so we're excited. There's pros and cons to shooting with friends and family. One of the major cons is today's going to be easygoing. You know, we don't expect everything to be perfect, but it's all part of the learning. Yeah, that's what I said.
You said con.
No, I said one of the largest pros is...
You said one of the largest cons.
No, I didn't.
All right. Play it back.
One of the major cons is today's going to be easygoing. So one of the largest pros is with shooting with family and friends is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It should be fun, and hopefully we can get it done before the sun starts peaking. You ready?
Go get mommy. Go get mommy.
Have you guys been here before?
No.
Dang.
Are you
So
recording?
babe, same thing, like when we get to a spot, just drop everything.
Edit that out.
Stay right there. Like. Alright, you're good. Oh, especially out there by those white pillars?
Yeah.
Right there in the shade. And look at the baskets of the flowers.
Oh, so beautiful. I'm happy we came here.
It's just flowers are so beautiful. Yeah, this is really nice. And it's all shaded. Hello, good morning.
Congratulations. Thank you.
All right, we can hunker down right here for a little bit. Yeah, like you're standing here, the sign like right here, and then you face this way. Oh yeah, that's cute too.
Like this?
Yeah, but maybe scoot this way and then tilt like you're looking at me. Go ahead and tilt more. Yeah, there you go. Because you don't want it like too staged. Okay. That looks like it's part of it. Like you just walked in like the botanical gardens were like, here's your baby pictures. Yeah. I want to get some fill here. All right, so this might seem like a little overkill, but again, maternity shoots is not my forte. So we have one GH5 with a 25 millimeter 1.7. So this is like the shallow depth of field king right here. The only thing is it's a prime lens, so I have to move a lot, you know, forward and back. There's no zoom, but the pictures come out really creamy with a ton of bokeh. And then this is what I'm shooting with for the wide shot. another GH5 with the 12 to 35. So the aperture on here is 2.8 at its widest. So still get some bokeh, not much, but it's much wider at 12 millimeters, which on a micro four thirds, it's actually 24 millimeters. And then the 25 is actually 50. So more than enough to get the job done. Maybe more of like a heart, like bend your thumbs a little bit.
Bend your thumbs.
Yeah.
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 Throwing up the Jay-Z sign. See?
Oh man, if you stand like right behind this,
Yo,
that might look really cute.
actually kills us or something.
Yeah, and then now do the heart. Yeah. All right, so quick update. We just took a break, came inside the little hall area here just to take a breather from the brutal sun outside. Right now we are gonna try to get some more long distance compressed images. I switched on the second camera from the 25 millimeter to the 35 to 100, which is the focal length of 70 to 200. So we're gonna get some more compressed images. Hopefully we get some overcast, some clouds coming through because the sun is brutal outside. One, two. Yeah, I think the series look better. Can you both of you take half a step to your left? Right there. And then Sherry get in a little closer to him, yeah. Oh yeah, that'd be cool.
If we had...
Wait, no, for her to take a picture under?
She can't take a picture under it?
No, I don't think that's gonna work. What about up there?
And the other hook? Oh, snap.
Oh, okay. Excuse me.
Come on, man. I'm here for a reason.
Just take a picture of that.
Why? Kind of weird,
Because
but...
it's gonna be nice.
I couldn't I just open both at the same time?
The woman behind tripod. How do you feel?
Hi. I feel very accomplished. I mean, you know, we set a goal to take some pictures and we got the shots.
We did
So-
it. Hey. The man behind the camera. The man who's always in the pictures.
I love how the microphone is facing the opposite way of your voice. So it's not really hearing anything.
Guys, don't let photographers fool you. You think he's doing the magic, but this expensive guy right here is doing the magic.
Wow. Okay. We'll see what expensive guy's gonna edit these pictures.
Wait, let's take a picture. You look beautiful right there.
One, two. All right, here we are, the last pictures of the day. I don't even know if the phone is still recording at this point, might have overheated, but in case it is, just wanted to make sure at least, I don't even know if I'm in focus. It's all good, trying to see what we can get. So we took pictures from the opposite where they were here and I was on the other side, and now we are gonna try to shoot across the dock to them on the steps, which I think might look really, really good. Ready, you guys? One, two. Awesome. All right, now we could do a different pose. You could sit one step down and then he can sit above you. Gorgeous. We're done.